It's amazing how quickly mobile phones are developing. In the olden days, phones were just for calling and sending text messages. Now, it can do a lot of things, like taking pictures, playing online games, internet browsing, social media, and many more. But what most people don't know is that you can make money using your smartphone. How? It's called the smartphone lifestyle, and it's part of this new growing industry called the gig economy. What is this smartphone lifestyle? Well, it's a 5-minute business. Here, you get to travel while earning. Get educated with real estate, the industry that made billions and billionaires around the world. Earn while playing online games. Enjoy profits in the online gambling business, and many more. The best part, you can do this anywhere, anytime, with anyone. We are just approaching our second year in operation, and we are now at 20 million members around the world, and we are loving it. To learn more about us, click on the link below to get your free tour.